Hello everyone. In the last videos of chapter Poverty as a Challenge, you people learn about the meaning of poverty, vulnerable groups, interstate disparities, and global poverty scenario. In this video, you will learn about the causes of poverty, anti-poverty measures, and the challenges ahead. Now let's start with the causes of poverty. The very first cause is low level of economic development under the British colonial administration. Next is the low growth of rate along with the high growth population made the growth rate of per capita income very low. Irregular small incomes, huge income inequalities, socio-culture factors, and economic factors. There are certain poverty alleviation programs started by government to reduce the poverty in the country. We will study each and every one in the next slide. The current anti-poverty strategies of the government is based broadly on two plans, that is promotion of economic growth, another is targeted anti-poverty programs. The very first is National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, which is now known as Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. It was started in 2005. It aims to ensure livelihood security in the rural areas by providing at least 100 days of wage employment in a financial year to every household whose adult members voluntary do unskilled manual work. Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana, which was started in 1993. It has been intended to give employ to over a million people by starting 7 lakh micro ventures by the jobless educated youth. It recounts to the starting of self-employment schemes through commerce, service and business means. Swarn Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana, which was launched in 1999. It aims at providing self-employment to the villagers through the establishment of self-help groups. Funds are provided by the NGOs, banks and financial institutions. Pradhan Mantri Gramodaya Yojana, which was launched in 2000. Till 2001, it was launched in all the states and union territories in order to achieve the objective of sustainable human development at the village level. It contains the 5 components, that is primary education, primary health, rural shelter, rural drinking water and nutrition. Now we will talk about the challenges. The challenges that still remain, providing healthcare, education and job security for all and achieving the gender equality and dignity for the poor. These will be even a bigger task. Poverty reduction is expected to make better progress in next 10 to 15 years. This would be possible mainly due to the higher economic growth, increasing stress on the universal free elementary education, declining population growth, increasing empowerment of the women and economically weaker section of the society. So beside the progress, poverty reductions remain the India's most compelling challenge. Thank you, students. I hope you have a better understanding of causes of poverty and anti-poverty measures which were taken by the government to decrease the poverty in our country. Thank you.